All right, so we've been coming to this woman's shop for the last 3 or 4 years. This young man was like almost at the table height when we first started. Look at how big he is now.
And
All right.
he's working, kids.
And she's got a Happy New Year's for everybody. And her shop is located right on the front boardwalk, right next to the restaurants. And I'll show you a picture from the front.
Okay, ¿cómo se llama usted?
Joana.
Ana, ¿y tiene nombre de su tienda?
Sí, Katy Valle.
Katy Valle is the name of the store. ¿Qué
Okay.
es lo que usted vende aquí?
Vendo, digamos, artesanías hechas por mí. Hago resina, hago collares, que esa parte que está aquí es hecha por mí.
She makes this. These
Yes.
are all handmade.
Sí,
She makes it herself.
sí,
Very beautiful.
sí. Hago esto, ya te lo voy a mostrar. Esas son mis favoritas.
Shows got some woodwork.
Sí, esa es mi favorita. Me encanta.
It
Ahora
is
que
nice.
atrás tengo lleno de botellas.
Very beautiful.
Sí,
Wow. Handmade.
sí.
Everything's handmade.
Vendo camisetas, vendo pareos. Los pareos valen 8,000 colones. Son los que están allá.
They just sell t-shirts
Sí.
and those things in the back.
Right, I'll get a picture of them.
Okay, and they're like 8,000. So
Yeah.
they're very affordable.
Yes. That's like 14, 15 bucks.
You guys dresses for women.
That's what we just bought for her, yeah.
Swimsuits.
All right,
Some
and-
stuff for men.
And what's the puppy's name?
¿Y cómo se llama?
Mini.
Lini.
Millie!
Son 4.
Oh,
4 years old, huh? Oh, look at Millie. Oh.